Yes, this is the right place. Mr. Tim here. Most people think AI answers questions. That's not what it's doing. And that misunderstanding is why so many people get bad results. If ChatGPT has ever sounded confident but still missed the point, this is the reason. It's not broken, and you're not using it wrong. AI doesn't understand meaning the way you do. It responds to how you frame the instruction, not what you meant in your head. Once you see this, you'll stop blaming AI and start getting usable answers immediately. This one shift fixes emails, planning, research, pretty much everything people say AI messes up. In the next minute, I'll show you exactly what AI is responding to and how to talk to it so it works with you, not against you. Here's the key idea. AI doesn't hear intent. It doesn't infer context. It doesn't know what you mean. It looks at the words you give it and completes the most likely pattern based on how those words are structured. That's it. So when people say, I ask it clearly, what they really mean is, I meant something clearly. But meaning lives in your head. AI never sees that part. It only sees the instruction. Let me make this concrete. When you ask AI a vague question, it doesn't push back. It doesn't say, I need more detail. It fills the gap for you. That's why the answer sounds polished, confident, but it's still wrong for what you actually needed. Not because AI failed, but because it was forced to guess. And AI is very good at guessing, convincingly. Once you understand this, a lot of frustration disappears. You stop asking, why does AI keep missing the point? And you start asking, what did I actually tell it to do? That shift alone changes everything because now, instead of hoping AI understands you, you're directing it. Here's the practical takeaway. AI works best when you treat it like a very fast, very literal assistant that needs clear instructions. Not a mind reader, not a search engine, not a vending machine. When you tell it who something is for, what you want done, and what good looks like, the answers stop drifting. They become usable. This isn't about tricks, it's not about prompts, and it's not about being technical. It's about learning how to talk to the system that's responding to structure, not intent. If you want the step by step walkthrough of how to do this on real problems, that's exactly what episode 7 covers. This video was the why. The next one, episode 7, is the how.